Hello, dear friends. Hope you all are having a great day. As the holy month of Ramadan has started, it rekindled in me to do something authentic. Pazham Nirachathu is what I thought of instantly. It's made from the Kerala specific Nendra Pazham or Nendran banana or plantain. To prepare this, 2 tablespoons of ghee is heated and a handful of cashews and raisins are added into it. After that, 1 cup of grated coconut is also roasted for a minute. And then 4 tablespoons of sugar is mixed into this. Followed by a dash of elaichi powder. This is to enhance the flavor. Next, a thick paste is made by mixing 4 tablespoons of maida in water and not to forget to add a pinch of salt too. Small pockets are made in the Nendran banana and the prepared mix is filled into it. The maida paste covers the filling and the bananas are fried in oil. Ghee can also be used for frying. That's it, the traditional snack is ready. It's a very filling snack and keeps us energetic for a long time. The kids will really enjoy this snack. I hope you liked the video and will give a like and also subscribe to my channel. Hope to meet you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.